welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at some low-key but high-style makeup looks. Now this video really is inspired by my older sister, one of my older sisters, who's a little bit more conservative in her makeup, and I thought, you know, even though I know I'm putting her on blast, I was like, well, we can do some really fun, subtle makeup looks, not just for every day, but what about those special occasions, but you're really not sure about how to combine colors and you don't want to look all crazy? Well, today we're going to be looking at some color combinations that you can use, and I think these combinations will be great for women of all color, vanilla to chocolate. I'm here for you, okay? So we're going to be looking at some color combinations that I think is going to give you the right amount of style, okay? But will keep you close to your comfort zone, all right? So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with our base. And so my base is going to be my foundation, concealer. I will do my eyebrows. I just like to fill them in, actually, to make them a little bit thicker. Who doesn't want thick, bushy eyebrows? On my cheeks, I typically use Truffle, which is a color by Avon. I love. It is probably their most universal brown, and I really believe that it is a color that you can use on almost every skin tone, okay? And then I also use as a base for my lips is the Avon Beyond Color Lip Conditioner, because y'all know I'm the queen of dry lips. That is part of my kingdom, the dry lips and ashy elbows. Welcome to my kingdom. All right, so we're going to go ahead, get our base started, and then we're going to get into some looks, all right? I got my kids in the background, guys, and they're driving me crazy, and I probably shouldn't be putting my mascara on, because I was going to do my lash lines with the eyeliner. But I know not everybody wears eyeliner, guys. And so my hope is to give you guys look that you can use with or without eyeliner, okay? 2/3 in the gold, the back half of the other eye in the black are gonna come up into the crease.
Pink with it brown.
Okay. Go across this bottom lash line a little.
Little. Gold.
You're distracting me, bud.
Swag.
That's what I said. You
What?
distracted me.
Look at it.
Yeah, whatever that was.
Sorry.
You're sorry?
Hi, Mommy.
Hi. Yeah, I know. Okay.
Oh,
Oh, you know what? I'm going to start blending the gold first, okay? Because I don't want to contaminate with the black. So we're going to get that a nice subtle blend. So you know how we went up just a little bit too far. We're going to go ahead and blend that down. Now we're going to come over on that outer eye and just soften that black.
Black with the color.
Yeah, I know. I hope you really enjoy what you saw and just what I am learning. One is that as long as you're still in the house, guys, you can experiment with anything. Okay, so don't be afraid to try different color combinations. And two, when in doubt, I say stick with 2 to 3 colors on your eyes and blend. And if you are kind of uncomfortable with mascara, if you're uncomfortable with eyeliner, know that all of these looks I've kind of put together so you don't really have to wear an eyeliner or mascara if that is your choice, okay? Because at the end of the day, it's all about you being comfortable. And so when I do makeup, it's always about how do I just add a little bit of pizzazz, for lack of a better word, to what I already have, and not mask it so I'm a completely different person from where I am in the house to where I am, you know, outside of the house, because that's just not who I desire to be, and that's not who I want you guys to be. You know, be comfortable in your skin and embrace the experience and the evidence of that experience, okay? So I hope you enjoyed these looks, guys, and if you want, again, let me know. I could do some with a little bit more vibrant colors. We can go in that direction, guys, and you know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends, tell sister friend at the cafe, tell the ladies in the church, the deaconess, woo! We'll see you in the next one, okay? Bye.